Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing this variation of French manicure nails, and I said I will do more and lots of you said yes, do it girl, so I am here and we will do this pastel colorful French manicure tips, so stick around if you want to learn how to do it. First thing, you want to paint your nails with some nude nail polish, and I will have all nail polishes that I used in this video written in the description box so you can know the names and everything, but you want to wait for your nail polish to fully dry, and then you want to pick out some pastel colors or some neons like I did, and then we will do our little French manicure tips, and it will look so cute. It will be super cute for spring and summertime, so that's why I'm doing it, and it's super classy as well, which is something that I love. But you wanna remove nail polish from your brush because you don't want to have too much nail polish on your brush when you're doing a French manicure or anything. So you basically just apply it and you rotate your hand, and you will see like the hand where you hold your nail polish, like I'm showing you here, it has to be on the table and very, like, it will be very stable once you put it on your table, like I'm showing you in the video. And then you can actually do it and just go with your hand, if that makes any sense. Hopefully it does, but it's super easy. You don't need any nail tapes or anything like that because, you know, I mean, I like it better this way because to me it's more raw, it's more organic, it's more like what I like, my style, you know. And I will have the easiest French manicure tutorial linked in the description box, which is my first video on French manicures. And you also want to wait a few minutes for your tips to dry, because you don't want to apply top coat right away, because it can happen that your little French tip can actually smudge, or actually the top coat can kind of shrink it, which happens a lot to me with Seche Vite that I use as a top coat. So that's why I always leave it to dry, like French tips to dry, and then add a top coat later after a few minutes, like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then apply a top coat as normally. And I had no shrinkage or any smudges or anything like that. It was super cute and shiny, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you do, and if you like it or recreate it, please tag me on Instagram. My page is linked in the description box below. It's girl you don't know, and you can tag me if you recreated this so I can see it and like your photos. Leave me a comment because I love reading your feedback and chatting with you in a comment section, so let's be friends. And that will be it. I hope you have a great day and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.